Okay, so today we'll be talking about wind. So what is wind? Wind, simply the movement of air, although we cannot see it. Where is wind? Okay, anyway, air is all around us sometimes, and it's never still. But sometimes the wind is strong. So now, why does the wind blow? When air is heated by the sun, it becomes lighter and rises. Oh, cool! Then more air is up and it takes its place. Then this rises too, and more heavy cold air flows in behind it. Wow, so cold! And this flow of air is what we feel as wind. So, I'll tell you about these two winds, about cold and the warm. The cold air sinks and the warm air rises. Okay, kids? Hey kids, do you want additional facts? You ready? Okay. So additional facts. Did you know that air expands and becomes lighter when it's heated? It rises, leaving an area of low pressure near the ground. The greater the difference in air pressure between two areas, the stronger the winds blow. Wow, strong, like a lion or a boxing people. And also, hope you learned from my video, and see you in the next video. Bye!